What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. Let me turn down the music. It's actually a little louder than I thought it was. But today's episode, guys, is gonna be on Litecoin. And as some of you can tell, so 3 weeks ago we made a video on Litecoin. Hold your coins. Litecoin to $80. And as you can tell, Litecoin hit 104 yesterday. But before that, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the market. Go ahead and refresh the page. Oops. Alright, sorry about that. Bitcoin, let's see, market cap 313 billion. Bitcoin dominates 56%. Bitcoin up 3%, 10,500. It's I don't know. Personally, I think it's a beautiful thing seeing Bitcoin now in the 10,000s. So now, like every day when I get on Coin Market Cap and oh, how's Bitcoin doing? Bam, it's in the 10Ks now. It's pretty cool. I'm not used to it yet, but it's just nice to see. Anyways, Ethereum down 5%, Bitcoin Cash down almost 6%, Ripple down 12%, Dash up 14%. Dash has just been moving. We made a video on that how long ago? That was, 2 weeks ago? And it's just been moving since. What else we got? We got Bitcoin Gold down 2%, Litecoin down 7%, IOTA down 7%, Monero down 6%, Cardano down 14% to 10 cents, Neo down 10%, Lumen's down almost 6%, List down 6%. So it's been looking a little red in the market, a little bearish, but that's only because Bitcoin had that correction from I believe it was like 1100 to like 8,500 somewhere. So it took the altcoins with it. But let's go ahead and take a look at our coin of the day, guys. It's going to be Litecoin. Litecoin is currently sitting at $91.48. Market cap at around, 5 billion about. We have 54 million coins in circulation, 84 total coins. So there's still a good amount that needs to be mined or found. So it's top brokers: GDAX, Bithumb, Bitfinex, OKEX, Poloniex, and Bittrex. Where's Coinbase? Coinbase is. What did they have coin? Oh, I guess it'd be GDAX. Yeah. Unless they have it marked off individually, I don't think they do. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, they're probably under just GDAX. Makes sense. Oops, sorry about that. Go ahead and turn off my phone. So alright, guys, today's coin of the day is Litecoin. So remember we made the video 3 weeks ago and we caught it at 54 and we rode it all the way up to 80, some of us 100. But what does that mean, guys? That means we need to make a new analysis. So what does that mean? That means we start over, just like that. We don't know what happened. We don't know what's gonna happen. We can only do our technical analysis and let the charts play out. Let me know if you guys think the music is too loud. If it's too loud, I'll start to find a better volume in other videos. I like to have music in the background. It keeps me focused. But let's go ahead and draw some support and resistance here. So we all know 100 is, I'd say a pretty good resistance. And it looks like we broke out of here. I'd say probably here would be better. Around the 70s, that'd be another one. We have here. And it looks like those are pretty much our major ones. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly. Crazy that it's just only at 100. Like, where does it go from here, 200, 300, 400, 500? I have no idea. Looks like we had a resistance here at almost 80. That's when we were tracing. We came back down, so we should mark that off. Let's go ahead and start to draw some trends here. Came up, came down, came up, came down, came up, came down, bounced, and now we're rocking towards the upside. So looks like these are pretty much our major support and resistance areas. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour, get a closer look. Sorry if I move my chart a lot, guys. I just like to get the perfect picture. Let's see what we got here. Huh. I like this line. Let's go ahead and hold on to this one. So I do believe we will see a minor correction if it wasn't this one already in Litecoin. I sold all of mine, so I'm looking to get in. I know this is a long-term hold, but I like to just try to basically scalp the long-term swings. So I'm looking for another buy. Looks like we're still gonna come down. I don't see any signs of it going back up. I guess it depends on how this hour candle closes. This closes in the next 3 minutes. We could be seeing a possible, what is it, like a retracement up to 90, 96, almost 97, and then come back down, hopefully to test this trend line. I want to see a bounce in the 80. I want to see a bounce around 80, 82 before it continues to move up. This is where I want to see a bounce before we decide to go back up. But let's go ahead and go back to the 4 hour, see if we can get a better look. Delete this. But that's where I essentially want to see price drop to. I want to see price drop to the 79.80 area, and when I see it there, I'm going to be buying like crazy. Let me turn this music down a little bit, still a little bit louder, or it's still a little bit loud. Sorry, I'm trying to delete this. Alright. So what am I expecting? This is what I'm expecting. First, here, let's see what happened, guys. We were in this channel, as you can see, and it's not the perfect channel, but it's a channel, and we finally decided to break out here. We broke here in the 80s, went all the way up to 100. So what I'm expecting is us to come back down to test this to see if it's going to be an actual area of support. And if it is, then it's going to continue up. And the reason I believe 79.80 is a good spot to buy is because not only one did we break from here, from this channel, but if you zoom out a little bit, this was actually a higher low from back in when September the 3rd, September the 7th, we formed a higher low here. So this was our previous resistance, and previous resistance becomes support. So I do believe we will hold here. Looks like we already came down to pierce it. I don't believe that was us testing for support. I still believe we'll have a small retracement. It's hard to tell, but if that could have been it, maybe not. I'm not gonna buy yet. I'm gonna wait for a confirmation. Now, where do I expect this to go? Well, we already beat our all-time high of $100, so definitely I would assume double. You know, why not? Seems like a great psychological resistance. Doesn't seem too far. When do I see this happening? Let's see. We're about to enter December, so maybe I want to say midway. I want to say like in April or May, like 6 months from now. I want to say halfway through maybe 2018. Litecoin will be at 200, maybe sooner, maybe not. That's just my analysis. Where do I see it in the long term? That's even harder to tell. But I believe Litecoin will be around 500 pretty soon. Not pretty soon, but in the long term, maybe within 2 to 3 years. Probably 2 years, I want to say. But for the next 6 months, I think Litecoin's next target is going to be 200. I'm still waiting for the confirmation. Still waiting to come back down to find support. Make sure we found support before we continue our next. Let me delete this. Sorry. Before we continue our next bullish wave towards the upside. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you already don't. Um, let me know what you guys are trying to see. Seems like you guys really like the technical analysis, so I'll keep that coming. And that's pretty much it, guys. Take it easy. Peace.